The Art of the Comeback by Donald Trump. This book shares insights from Trump's own recovery from personal and financial challenges in the 1990s. Through his experiences, he outlines key strategies and personal philosophies for achieving success and overcoming setbacks. Here is a chapter-by-chapter summary designed to capture the essence of each part. Chapter 1. The Fall and Rise. Trump starts with an honest look at his difficult period in the early 1990s when his business empire faced a crisis. He discusses how his investments, particularly in Atlantic City casinos, were hit hard by economic downturns and the challenges of managing extensive debt. Trump reflects on how these difficulties taught him resilience and the importance of never giving up. Key takeaway: resilience and a fighting spirit are essential to rebounding from setbacks. Accept the challenge, assess the problem, and move forward confidently. Chapter 2. Fight Back. This chapter focuses on the mindset required for a comeback. Trump argues that to succeed, one must be willing to confront obstacles directly. For him, fighting back meant renegotiating with banks, taking calculated risks, and not being afraid of criticism. Key takeaway: assertiveness, combined with a proactive attitude, is vital in overcoming adversity. Approach each challenge head-on with confidence. Chapter 3. Know Your Market. Trump emphasizes the need for market awareness. He explains how he assessed New York's real estate market carefully, identifying opportunities that others missed. He also highlights the importance of timing and location in business decisions. Key takeaway: successful investing requires an in-depth understanding of market conditions, trends, and timing. Chapter 4. Stay focused. Here, Trump discusses the need for focus, discipline, and maintaining high standards even when times are tough. He shares his personal experiences of remaining committed to his vision, despite facing doubt from others. Staying focused on his goals allowed him to rebuild his business and credibility. Key takeaway: concentrate on core objectives, avoid distractions, and strive for excellence even in challenging times. Chapter 5. Tough Negotiations. Trump outlines his strategies for negotiating successfully. He talks about his techniques for dealing with lenders, business partners, and critics. By emphasizing his own determination, he leveraged his reputation and restructured deals that helped him recover. Key takeaway: negotiation is an art. Being assertive, prepared, and determined can help secure favorable outcomes. Chapter 6. Never settle for second place. In this chapter, Trump stresses his competitive philosophy, explaining why aiming for the top is critical to long-term success. He believes in having an unrelenting drive to be the best and shares how this mindset can fuel one's comeback. Key takeaway: embrace competition and maintain high aspirations. Success requires a desire to excel. Chapter 7. Image is Everything. Trump discusses the importance of branding and image in this chapter. He describes how maintaining a strong personal brand helped him stay relevant even when his businesses struggled. By controlling his public image, he was able to keep potential partners and the public interested in his projects. Key takeaway: building and maintaining a positive, strong brand image can open doors and attract opportunities. Chapter 8. Stick to what you know. Trump advises readers to focus on areas where they have expertise. He attributes his return to success to sticking with real estate, where he had deep knowledge and experience, rather than diversifying into unfamiliar fields. Key takeaway: maximize strengths by investing in areas you understand well and avoiding distractions in unfamiliar territories. Chapter 9. Confidence and Enthusiasm. In this chapter, Trump explains how a confident attitude and genuine enthusiasm can be infectious and influence others. During his comeback, he inspired confidence among his team and investors by remaining optimistic and passionate about his projects. Key takeaway: confidence and enthusiasm can inspire others and create a positive atmosphere conducive to success. Chapter 10. Managing Finances. Trump highlights the importance of financial prudence and managing cash flow. He explains the steps he took to reorganize his finances and regain control over his debts, emphasizing the need for close attention to cash management. Key takeaway: sound financial management and controlling cash flow are essential for business stability and recovery. Chapter 11. Believe in Luck and Hard Work. Trump discusses the role of luck and timing in his comeback but insists that luck alone is not enough without hard work and perseverance. He shares his belief in making one's own luck by creating opportunities through dedication and effort. Key takeaway: success is a combination of luck, timing, and relentless hard work. Create your own opportunities. Chapter 12. Dream big and set goals. This chapter emphasizes the value of setting ambitious goals. Trump explains how having big dreams fuels motivation and provides direction. He encourages readers to think big and be relentless in pursuing their visions. Key takeaway: set clear, ambitious goals that push you toward excellence and provide a sense of purpose. Chapter 13. Make your own rules. Trump argues that sometimes, the traditional rules of business need to be challenged. He shares his belief in innovation and thinking outside the box to succeed, especially in competitive environments. Key takeaway: think creatively and be willing to break conventions if it helps achieve your goals. Chapter 14. Learn from your mistakes. In this chapter, Trump reflects on the lessons learned from his past failures, stressing the importance of self-awareness and reflection. Each mistake became a stepping stone toward a better understanding of business and himself. Key takeaway: embrace mistakes as learning experiences that contribute to growth and future success. Chapter 15. Build a strong support network. Trump highlights the importance of relationships and partnerships in business. During his comeback, he leaned on trusted advisors, family, and friends, proving that a strong network is essential for resilience and success. Key takeaway: surround yourself with a reliable support system to help navigate challenges and maintain motivation. Chapter 16. Keep moving forward. Finally, Trump concludes with a focus on perseverance. He stresses the need to keep pushing forward, regardless of setbacks, and the importance of maintaining momentum and a forward-looking mindset. Key takeaway: success requires consistent effort, optimism, and a refusal to quit, even in the face of hardship. Conclusion: reflect irons on success and resilience. In the final section, Trump reflects on his journey and the traits that enabled his comeback, including resilience, adaptability, and self-confidence. He encourages readers to pursue their own comebacks by embracing challenges, never losing sight of their goals, and staying true to themselves. The Art of the Comeback illustrates Trump's approach to overcoming adversity through mental toughness, strategic planning, and an unwavering belief in his potential for success. Through his personal story, Trump provides actionable advice on resilience and shares the philosophy that fueled his recovery, encouraging readers to adopt a similar mindset in their own lives. We recommend you read this book. Do not forget to subscribe to Zillion Pro for more quick summary audiobooks.